Our culture is changing. Technology is getting us there faster and cheaper, and we are able to easily connect with people on the other side of the globe. This generation is learning from the last, and we are no longer accepting a mediocre existence. We are curious. We find value in our differences, and we seek happiness through experiences rather than things. So, why don't our dating apps? Introducing Fairytrail, an app made for us trailblazers, the ones seeking a partner who sees the value beyond borders, a safe place where we can share a once-in-a-lifetime experience with people who get it. Because our soulmates don't always exist in a 30-mile radius, and neither do we. Explorers, let's show them the new normal in dating.
Fairytrail. Travel with someone you like.